13.8 billion years ago, something incredible occurred. The Big Bang. The moment when space and time were born. The beginning of the ever-expanding existence that we call the universe. Everything we can touch, feel, sense, measure, or detect is the universe, from the tiniest particles to the largest galaxies. To the very existence of space, time, energy and life. Our journey begins at home, the Earth, a world unlike any other, the only place in the known universe confirmed to host life. Millions upon millions of different species exist upon its dynamic surface. But none have changed its landscape like human beings. From this view, human activity is easy to see. Our buildings, roads, and farming fields will likely be evidence of our existence for hundreds, if not thousands of years to come. But as we drift ever higher, everything that we are, everything that we have created, begins to blur. From up here, it would be difficult to see that we ever existed at all. Our entire history can be traced back to this single blue marble. We have been able to discover extraordinary things from Earth. But now, we must leave our blue planet and explore the farthest reaches of the cosmos. It is the place where billions of people have lived and died and where many more billions will be born. This is the world where it all started. Now we must leave our home and take a journey to end of solar system. First, we will pass the Moon, our closest neighbor and the only other place we have walked apart from Earth. Then we will cross the orbits of the planets as we head towards the emptiness that is interstellar space, the area in between the stars. Our magnificent star that warms our seas, stirs our atmosphere and gives energy to the growing green plants that provide oxygen for life on Earth slowly becomes just one of billions. Many of the stars so familiar to us in our night sky can now be seen, unaffected by the Earth's atmosphere, like colorful bright pinpricks upon a black canvas. This is just a tiny corner of the Milky Way galaxy. Some of these stars have their own planets orbiting them, known as exoplanets, some of which may have the right conditions for life as we know it. But there is no time for us to stop and explore these alien worlds, because we still have a long way to go, and the Milky Way is unimaginably vast. Enormous clouds of gas and dust, along with hundreds of billions of stars, planets and moons, span an area 100,000 light-years across, and hiding deep within that bright bulge, at the very core of the galaxy is a monster, a supermassive black hole. we can see the sheer scale of the galaxy that we call home, and although it is unimaginably large to us, it is only a droplet within an ocean of galaxies that exist throughout the observable universe. Each of these bright points is another galaxy sprawling with clouds of gas and dust and billions of stars and planets. Like the Milky Way, which is now just a faint dot in the distance, most of these galaxies conceal a supermassive black hole at their center, and some of them are even merging together in a dynamic cosmic dance of interacting gravity. From this spectacular view, you will notice that the cosmos is not evenly populated. Instead, large empty voids can be seen in between dense clusters that are strung together in a magnificent cosmic web. This is a small part of the observable universe, a single page from a 13.8 billion-year-old story spread out in front of our eyes. But where do we go from here? Will we find an edge in the universe? In order to answer that, we must travel billions of light years back to where our journey began. The reason we have come home is that as far as astronomers can tell, there is no edge to the universe. There is only an edge to the observable universe, which is everything we can see from Earth, an unimaginably large area spanning 93 billion light-years of ever-expanding space. What we have just explored can be seen using powerful telescopes from Earth because we are able to see the light from those objects. There is only an edge to the observable universe, which is everything we can see from Earth, an unimaginably large area spanning 93 billion light-years of ever-expanding space. What we have just explored can be seen using powerful telescopes from Earth because we are able to see the light from those objects. But light has a cosmic speed limit, and so beyond the edge of the observable universe is the place where light hasn't had enough time to reach us yet. When a distant galaxy millions of light-years away is observed, you are seeing it as it was millions of years ago, not as it is today. So the farther away you look, the farther back in time you are able to see until eventually, you find the earliest light that occurred just a few 100,000 years after the Big Bang. Thank you for watching. Join us next time as we explore wonders of the universe.